Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you step-by-step how to allow people to tag you in photos on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC. This is part of the new update, so if things look slightly different on your screen, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the X app on your PC. Once you're logged in, look at the left-hand side of your screen and find the More icon. It looks like 3 small dots inside a circle. Click on it. From the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all your account preferences are stored. Next, click on Privacy and Safety. This section controls who can see your content, who can interact with you, and how your account handles media, mentions, and tags. Now, under Privacy and Safety, find and select Audience, Media, and Tagging. X has combined these options in one place, so you can easily manage who can interact with your posts and photos. Once you're in Audience, Media, and Tagging, look for the option that says Photo Tagging. This is where you can decide whether people can tag your account in pictures they upload. Click on Photo Tagging. You'll see a few options here. To allow tagging, simply enable the switch. You can choose to let anyone tag you, or limit it, so only people you follow can tag you in photos. Pick the option that works best for you. And that's it. You've successfully enabled photo tagging on X's latest desktop version. From now on, when friends or other users post photos and want to include you, they'll be able to tag your account easily. This setting gives you more control and makes it simpler to manage engagement on your profile. If you ever want to turn it off, just follow the same steps and toggle it back off. Thanks for watching.